All right, so we're going to plant some garlic cloves, organic local garlic cloves. And it's important to plant each clove separately and with the skin, with the stems facing down, of course, and the pointed part of the clove facing up. All right, so next up, I'm also planting the organic cucumbers next to the garlic. So as you can see, we made a huge mound. And after we planted the garlic and the cucumber, we added the C90 along with charcoal as we did in the previous videos and watered it later on when it was a little darker and the sun was set. It's extremely hot. We're having near, I would say, 90-ish Fahrenheit weather, which is a blessing. And also, it's the first time I'm actually growing garlic and cucumbers. I learned that garlic is a natural repellent, and so, which is why I decided to plant the garlic in the outer circumference of the garden. All right, so that's it, friends. Happy gardening. And unbeknownst to me, I see I had a Canadian goldenrod right in my garden, and I don't recall ever planting it there. So God does amazing and wondrous things beyond our expectations. That's what I drew from that. And so may you be blessed and enjoy the rest of the weather and day, wherever you are. And let us look to Jesus, who is the author and finisher of our faith. Bye for now. Did you know the benefits of the willow herb has anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce fever, ease menstruation, helps and aid with skin care, and it even soothes stomach disorders. It helps eliminate migraines. Furthermore, the health benefits for the Canadian goldenrod that you see here in this picture is loaded with antioxidants, improves the health of your urinary tract, antidote for certain types of allergies, beneficial for a sore throat, get rid of mouth inflammations, fungal infections, breaks fevers, and flushes out the system. It even prevents the onset of asthma. Isn't God amazing that He created the herbs of this earth for the healing of man? May you be blessed, and may we look to the one who pronounces everything that He created as good.